Okay, so in Revelation 14:11, it states, "And the smoke of their torment ascendeth up forever and ever. They shall have no rest day nor night, who worship the beast and his image, or whosoever receiveth the mark of its name." Once you bow down to worship the Antichrist and worship its image, once you do that, that's it. There's no hope for you. You're gonna have to drink the wine of the wrath of God. Be tormented day and night. Well, when someone does worship the beast and its image, their future will be in the lake of fire, which burns with fire and brimstone for all of eternity. You know, once you worship the Antichrist and believe his lies, that's it, you're done. You're gonna have to drink the wine of the wrath of God, and ultimately you will be thrown into the lake of fire. Jesus himself told us that hell is a place where the worm does not die and the fire is not quenched, and that's in Mark 9:48. Isaiah 66:24 states, "Their worm shall not die, and their fire shall not be quenched." Mark 9:48 does the exact same thing. It states, "Where their worm does not die, and the fire is not quenched, there's no death to offer an escape, no exit, only unending cycle of torment described by Christ himself." Revelation 20:14 states, "Then death and hell will be thrown into the lake of fire." This is the second death. I know what you want. Go ahead and follow, like, subscribe, follow for more Christian content. Follow for more Christian